Hello, my friends. Hope all of you are doing well and had a great holiday season. Can you believe 2023 is about to come to an end? We got 3 more days. Oh, it went by fast. And there are 4 foods that's a must-have for New Year's. Pork, greens and cabbage, cornbread, and black-eyed peas. So today, I'm going to share with all of y'all some Southern Hush Puppies. And Hush Puppies is fried cornbread, and they are shaped into circles. And my friends, these are so simple and easy to make. And as always, it is the bomb.com delicious. They are so crispy on the outside and fluffy and tender in the inside. Everybody's going to love and enjoy these. And these would be a great new addition to your New Year's dinner. And also for your fish fries. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And for more cornbread recipes, check out my cornbread recipes playlist. And check out my mustard greens and cabbage and collard greens recipe and my black-eyed peas recipe and my previous video, sweet potato pie cookies. I'll post the link to those down below in the description box. So grab your cornmeal, grate up your onion, and get your oil heating up, sugar, because we're about to fry some Hush Puppies magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, the first thing we're going to do is prep up our dry ingredients. In my large bowl, I have 1 cup of self-rising flour. And into our self-rising flour, we're going to add in 1 cup of self-rising yellow cornmeal mix. And our leavenings, a half a teaspoon each of baking soda and kosher salt, or you can use regular table salt. Going to give these dry ingredients a quick whisk until they're well combined. Now we're going to set our dry ingredients aside while we work on the wet ingredients. In my measuring cup, I have 1 cup of buttermilk, and this is my homemade buttermilk. I'll post the link to that recipe down below in the description box. And we're going to add in 1 extra large egg that I lightly beaten. And we're going to give our Hush Puppies a little sweetness, so we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of honey. Going to give these a quick stir until it's well blended. Alrighty, our wet ingredients is complete. Now we're ready to pour them into our dry ingredients. Before we add in the wet ingredients, we're going to add in 1 small onion that I grated and removed the liquid. And whisk everything together until they're well incorporated. Alrighty, my friends, and just that quickly, our cornbread batter is complete. Nice and thick. That looks great. So now we're going to set this aside while we heat up some oil. Over here, I have my cast iron skillet filled with canola oil. And it's nice and hot. It's at 350. Now we're ready to fry our cornbread. So I'm going to use my ice cream scoop. Going to take a dollop of the batter, like so. Then we're going to scoop it into the hot oil. Yeah, hear that sizzle? That's what you want. And be careful not to overcrowd the pan. And we're going to let them fry until they're golden brown. About 4 minutes. All right, let's take a look. Gorgeous! Now we're going to finish frying on the other side. Alright, my friends, I'm through frying my Hush Puppies, and I drained them on the pan along with paper towels. See how nice and golden brown they are? And they smell incredible. And you can make them any size that you prefer. So now I'm about to plate them up, and then we'll give them a taste. All right, my friends, there you have it. Southern Hush Puppies. Doesn't that look good and pretty? And I'm serving this with my honey milk sauce. I'll put the recipe to that down below in the description box. Also garnished it with a sprinkling of fresh parsley. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Dip it in the honey milk sauce. Have a bite. It's crispy. And look at the texture inside. It's tender and they're perfectly cooked. And that honey milk sauce is divine. These Hush Puppies are spectacular, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Hush Puppy-licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my Southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media. Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And don't forget to hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat, much love, and Happy New Year.